a fight between two friends. Short moral story. Once there were two friends named Ali and Max. They shared everything from secrets to dreams and even ice cream. One day they got into a fight and said hurtful words to each other. Days turned into weeks, but they didn't speak to each other. Finally, Ali went to Max and apologized for his behavior, and Max apologized too for his hurtful words. Their fight had taught them the importance of understanding, forgiveness, and the value of true friendship. From that day forward, Ali and Max became even closer friends. Moral of this story is, it's always better to forgive than to hold a grudge. Thanks for watching. Like the story, share, comment and subscribe for more fun and educational content from Little Wonder Stories.